Alright, go for it. We are out at the property line. Concrete pipe. Some roots. Back towards the yard area. Some roots coming in, but it wasn't too bad. A few spots here where the bottom's kind of missing that we just passed through. That wasn't what caused the issue though. They can go a little bit slower. Yeah, bottom kind of gone here. Things are still flowing through there though. Turn, some roots. And then we've got we are in cast iron pipe now. Go slower, please. And this is the area where everything was clogged up. This cast iron has got a lot of buildup in it. Just from lots of use and old age. I'm going to recommend descaling. That is going to require digging a hole outside though. So we'll put in an access point going upstream and downstream once we go outside. And basically what we'll do is get some chains and some sandpaper and try to clean that off. And then a lot of times we'll hydrojet the debris out into the hole. And then we'll also get that little bit of roots that were in there too. Please scan that.